Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, yesterday news broke that dancehall recording artist Jashii was taken into custody. Now we have an update to bring to you on that after he was granted $50,000 bail and set to appear in court in February. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop and we'll be right back.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. Trust and hope that you're doing fine, keeping safe and in good health. So coming up on the scoop for today, we're going to talk about upcoming dancehall star Jashii and what he has been up to in relation to an event that was held in Santa Cruz, Jamaica, in which the dancehall entertainer was actually taken into custody. So news broke on New Year's that dancehall recording artist Jashii was actually taken into custody by the police. And with a post on the official page of the dancehall entertainer, he was taken into custody about 5 after 12 New Year's morning. And we're going to update you with the latest we have in relation to that matter and also just update you about his bail and also his court appearance. So dancehall recording artist Jashii was arrested and charged yesterday morning by the police for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act in connection with an illegal party that was held in St. Elizabeth. The Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the CCU, state that Joshies, whose given name is Maliki Tafari Clark, and several others were charged for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. The charges are in connection with a breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act in Leeds District, St. Elizabeth. Joshua was granted bail. He is to appear in court on February 14, 2022. The entertainer is also being investigated in connection with an illegal party that was held in Clarendon, where he reportedly fled from the police on their arrival. 32 people were taken into custody in connection with the party that was held in Clarendon. So the dancehall entertainer has been the center of focus since a recent airing of an interview with Anthony Miller on the popular TV show Entertainment Report. Now, many people are stating that based on that interview, that a dancehall entertainer will become a target of the police. And in two recent events, we have seen now that the dancehall entertainer had actually had some run-ins with the law. So we're just hoping that he just continue to maintain the focus on the music and don't let the hype and the drama get the better of him because he's a very young and uprising entertainer and he's actually getting the buzz right now from the local entertainment scene. So the upcoming dancehall entertainer was granted bail in the sum of $50,000 and is set to appear in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court on February the 14th. A second entertainer who is also a popular producer as well, Walden Hampton, more popularly known as Day Ray, was also granted bail in the sum of $50,000 as well. So these two individuals were actually taken into custody by the police based on breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act after they were held at an illegal party in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. So the fast-rising dancehall entertainer has dominated headlines in recent weeks as he described the police as being corrupt in a recent interview with Anthony Miller. On Christmas Eve, Jashii was reportedly performing at a party in Clarendon. However, his set was cut short when members of the Maypen police who were patrolling the area entered the event. 32 people were actually detained in that incident. And then it was actually rumored that the upcoming fast-rising dancehall entertainer Jashii was actually taken into custody at that event. However, that turned out not to be true after the dancehall entertainer came on his Instagram live to confirm that he was not actually arrested by the police, and also the police confirmed that he was never taken into custody for that event in Clarendon. So many people are actually stating right now that Josh is actually letting the hype of the music get to his head, and based on the recent hit songs that he has out there right now, he has garnered so much fan base right across the country, and this is based on some video circulating online with him and his crew actually burning some cash, with some of his fans are actually stating that him wasting cash and burning it is not a good look based on the value that money have. So on to some other business now. So dancehall entertainer Shakademus is actually stating that he's lucky to be alive after his life was actually threatened by a taxi operator after he asked him to just move his car from all the way for him to pass. Let's go over to that right now.
Respect every time. Shakadimus again, yeah? Me's a man, me love Jamaica to my heart. So me I say, no place in the world, me go me tour the whole world. So me I say, and no way, me no love no way in the world like how me love Jamaica. So me I say, watch this. Enough look at idiot thing going on Jamaica right now. Right now. Yesterday, me did one plaza in a Portmore. Drive me car, boom, when me look to see a taxi, block up the driveway. Me go so, boom, pop, blow the horn. Car now, make no movements. Me go so, beep, beep. See a man come out of the car, out of the taxi, the driver himself come out. Ray, Batty boy, come move the car and see if we not fully up a shot and back him gun. Batty boy, you want to come move it and see if we not fully up a shot. I want that little Rasta pass and I said, don't say nothing to him. Because the Rasta come like him sister, the boy, the one come, he come out of the car with the gun knife man to kill me. No, tell me something. If you block up the driveway, I may ask you if you just move your car. That we can pass. Tell me something. Is it right for you come out of your car with your gun in your hand and say you're going to fool me up a shot? Eh? The people, what is wrong with us? Eh? Cut it, man.
Well, there you have it. That was dancehall entertainer Shaka Demus recounting his experience that he had while out conducting business. It just goes to show you that we're living in a time right now where people they are so cold and they're so heartless, and you can't take anything for granted, especially when someone threatens your life in such a way based on what you're doing. So you just have to be extremely careful when you're out there. And based on what happened to this entertainer, it just goes to show you that it doesn't matter who you are, you still have to be extremely careful whilst you're out there. On to some other business now. So dancehall entertainer Conscience is actually in Kenya right now, and I can tell you he did a stellar performance at an event to thousands of his fans in that section of the world. And it just goes to show you that dancehall music is still a force to be reckoned with. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's go over to a clip taken from Conscience official page. Dancehall entertainer Charlie Block also made a special performance at the event as well, and I can tell you that the fans were actually loving the moment as he set foot on stage. Let's go over to that right now as well. Well, there you have it. That was our celebrity scoop for today. We're gonna take you with some 2022 fireworks. So peace out, bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop.